What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dame Untamed. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nikki and this is my adventure channel. Today we have found a secluded spot on the beautiful Campbell River and we are going to be snorkeling with salmon. We'll definitely see some pinks today. We're hoping for a few Chinook. Let's get to it. just finished up our day snorkeling here in the Campbell River, and we saw hundreds of big salmon. Big salmon, woo! As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button on your way out so you don't miss my next upload. I'll see you guys next time.